Erin was in trouble. She had no money, no job, no husband, and three young children. Life is difficult when you are a single mother. But Erin loved her young family, and she wanted to make their lives happy and comfortable. Day after day, she read the local newspapers and called for jobs. But every phone call and every interview was unsuccessful. It was time to try something new. Erin visited her lawyer, Ed Masry. I'm smart, I'm hardworking, and I'll do anything, she told him. Please give me a job. It was a strange way to find a job, but Erin did what she had to do. She wanted to be a good person and a good mother. But the work was too boring for a smart woman like Erin. Soon she started reading some of the letters and lawyers' papers to make her days more interesting. Chicos, con esta lectura y esta historia sobre Erin, van a responder a las preguntas que están debajo en los comentarios sobre como si fuera su tarea. Okay, guys, that was all for today's class. And remember, don't forget to practice, don't forget to make your homeworks, and see you in the next class. Goodbye.